Hello.
Hi,
Hi.
how are you?
I'm very good. And you?
Good, it's nice to meet you. My name is Misty.
Wow, nice name.
Ah, thank you. What is your name?
My name is Indrajit and I am from India.
Hello, Indrajit. What part of India are you in?
I am from eastern part of India.
Uh-huh.
I live in Kolkata, capital of West Bengal.
Oh, you do? Okay,
Yeah.
good. And what do you do there in Calcutta?
Uh, Currently, I am pursuing my bachelor degree in the Department of Electronics and Communication Engineering.
Okay. You're an engineer?
No, I am an engineering student and I have one
Oh,
more week
student.
to go.
Oh, I see. Okay, good. Well, tell me about yourself. How old are you?
Yeah,
And,
I am 23 years old and
uh-huh.
my hobbies are especially painting and
Good.
making videos for YouTube as well.
Uh-huh. What kind of videos do you make?
Yeah, I whatever I learn, I just share. It may be Cambly videos.
Okay, so do you post pictures of, I mean, videos of your English lessons ever?
Yeah, exactly.
Ah, good, good, good.
And also, I
Wonderful.
will upload this video on my YouTube channel.
Okay, good. I'm happy for you too.
Thank you very much.
Yes, I've had other students do that also. Especially there's one student in India that has also uploaded a video with me
Oh, great! So
teaching him. So yes. Oh, good, good, good. So you're studying to be an engineer.
yes,
Uh-huh. Good. All right. Tell me about your painting. What kind of painting do you do?
yeah. I usually paint landscape, and I usually use watercolor to paint.
Oh, that's so nice. I love painting.
Oh,
I
really?
love,
Great.
yes, I love landscapes. They're
Oh,
so nice. They're so,
yeah.
so nice.
But
Good.
I will definitely show you next in the next video, in the next collaboration conversation with
Okay.
you because it is far away from me. So I can.
Okay. Sure. Sure. Well, maybe someday I'll show you some of mine too.
Oh, great, great, great.
Okay, good. So,
And
have you,
yeah,
yes?
I was asking that do you continue your painting?
Do I,
Continue painting?
oh, continue? Do I
Yeah,
still do it?
yeah.
Uh, yes, but not on a regular basis, not regularly as much as I would like to.
Okay,
But I do like to. I like to draw and I like to paint.
great, great. And what kind of colors do you use in your painting?
I like vibrant colors.
Vibrant. Oh, great.
I like colors that make you feel, uplifted.
Okay, okay.
I like,
Glossy, yeah, relax.
well, yeah, I like red and pink
Oh,
and green.
I see.
Yeah. Yeah.
And
How about you?
so, do you use watercolor
Um,
or
not
acrylic?
very. I'm using oil right now.
Oh, oil. Wow, that's very good.
Well, I don't know if it's very good or not, but it's what I'm trying to experiment some
Yeah,
right
yeah.
now.
You should have a lot of. You should experience with a lot of things.
Yes, that's what I like to do.
Yeah. And this is a variety of life, right?
You're right. You're right. And I really think that sometimes we're affected by the colors that we're looking at. I think
Exactly.
color is so important to how you feel,
Yeah, exactly. Exactly. It is related to your feelings, your nature.
to your nature.
Yeah.
That's exactly right. That's a beautiful way to put it. Yes. Well, you're a good English speaker, aren't you?
Oh, thank you very much. I
You're
am very,
welcome.
I'm really glad to hear from you because I am I have been using this application over 1 year.
For over 1 year.
Yeah, and
And
I I have so much hunger to learn this language properly. So that's why I'm learning, and I want to be fluent in this language as well.
Well, you will be. You will be. I
Yeah.
can hear it already. You will be fluent.
And
Especially when. Go ahead.
go on, go on, go on, go on.
No, I was just going to say that you used a good word there. You have a hunger for learning it, and without that, you don't get very far. You have to really have that hunger that is doesn't go away easily. That hunger keeps
Yeah, exactly, exactly. I
keeps you wanting
yeah,
more of it.
yeah, more and more. I want more and more and more.
Ah, good, 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 good. So, do you live at home with your family?
Yeah, with my uncles and aunts as well
Mm-hmm.
as with my grandmother.
Uh-huh. Oh,
She's
that's
75 now.
nice. Oh, wonderful. That's so nice that you have all of those family members close by you.
Yeah,
Wonderful. Good. And do you have any brothers or sisters?
yeah. I have own one elder brother who does a
Mm-hmm.
government job and who stays another city of this state.
Okay. Okay, good.
And I I stay with my a lot of cousins,
Mm-hmm.
and
Nice.
I play with them, and I am very lucky to have such cousins.
Oh, that is nice because they're family, but they're like friends too, aren't they?
Yeah, exactly, exactly.
Better than friends, really. Oh, that's great.
And
And so, who do I live with?
yeah,
I live with my husband,
oh,
and I have two children,
great.
and I have two cats.
Oh, lovely. So you are cat lover. I am also pet lover. I do not have any pet, but I feed some local dogs in my area.
Mm-hmm. Yes, cats are a lot of fun. So, uh, how much of the time during the day are you at school? How much time do you spend at school each day?
Uh, so nowadays there is lockdown, and so that's why all the colleges, all the universities are shut down. But I take online classes 3 days a
Good.
week, and
Mm-hmm.
each class uh, is up to 45 to 60 minutes.
Mm-hmm. Okay, good. And do you know what kind of engineer that you would like to be?
Yeah, I choose to be electronics and communication engineer.
Okay, okay, okay. Very good. Very, very good. My husband is an electrical engineer also.
Okay, okay, great, great.
Mm,
Nice.
yeah.
Do you live? Where do you live now?
I'm in the United States.
Oh,
I live in Texas.
oh, Texas. Oh, lovely. So
Yes.
I am very curious to know about the beauty of the Texas. I know that there are a lot of stuff busy in the Texas, but
Hmm.
is there any visiting place so that I can visit there?
Well, first of all, yes, many, because Texas is a very, very big state. It is huge. So, because of that, there are lots of different climates.
Okay, yeah,
You know, there are subtropical parts that are down south by the ocean, where you would see palm trees and forests. And then in the western part of the state, it's desert with mountains,
oh my God, wow, great.
and everything in between. It's big. So uh, there's
So
a
there are plenty of places to visit.
plenty. There are big cities. There's lots of countryside. So whatever you want, pretty much it's here.
Okay. And yeah, I want to know from you because one interesting question stuck in my brain right now. That do you like shopping?
Do I like shopping?
Yeah,
Uh,
definitely.
well, it's a necessary thing.
Yeah,
I, I'm not one that likes to acquire more things. I don't want to, bring more things into my life. So in that regard, I don't like shopping. Uh,
okay.
I just look at it as something that's necessary to get
That is
what I need. Not,
what you need, just you want to buy that thing.
yes, yes,
And so there is an existence of aliens in this planet.
of aliens.
Yeah.
I have no idea, to be honest. I have no idea.
Mm,
What do you think?
I think that I heard about that, and I have seen a lot of times that in the TV shows and in the news that there is found something incredible creature in the deep blue sea and in the deep forest, and also there are plenty of videos on YouTube
Hmm.
related to uh, incredible creature. So I believe,
You think so?
yeah, I think so. That that's
I think that there are, excuse me, many different levels of consciousness about us, around us, many different levels of consciousness, even within ourselves, even between differences between people. But as far as something coming from the cosmos to Earth, I don't know. I don't know. I don't really have. I don't really have a really
no idea about that.
definitive opinion about that. I don't know.
Yeah, exactly. And do you believe that? Do you believe on paranormal activity?
Paranormal. Paranormal. I believe in there are metaphysical aspects
Oh,
to the world, but paranormal. If you mean like a ghost,
yeah, ghostly activities.
ghostly activities. Uh,
You
again,
are
I'm
not
not
sure.
sure.
Yeah, you are not sure. Yeah,
Well, no, no, I, there are plenty of things that we can't explain, right? Plenty of
yes,
things.
definitely.
But I just believe that maybe energy can take different forms.
Exactly. Yeah, that is true. That is true.
Yeah, that's what I think. So, but that's interesting. What has is this a hobby of yours? Is
Hello. Yeah,
investigating?
could you repeat, please? I could not hear you for a while.
Yes, I was just wondering if this was a hobby of yours. Is investigating paranormal activities? Is this a hobby of yours?
No, 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 not at all. It is just a common question and interesting question. I usually ask to the Cambly tutors, and also I usually talk with my friends. That's it.
Sure, sure. Yeah. A lot of my friends are interested in that sort of thing. Yeah. I mean, I think that there is a lot going on around us that we cannot see. We can't visually, physically see it ourselves, but there's stuff going on. There's energy around us that we can't
Yeah,
see. That's maybe formless.
yeah, exactly, exactly. Science says that.
Absolutely. I like science.
Yeah. Okay, great, great. You are a very scientific person, and me too, because I'm from my background is science.
Uh-huh. Yeah.
But and also I like technology, so that's it.
Yes.
Hello, we are going to we are running out of time. So it is
Oh,
really lovely to meet you. Hope to see you soon again. And I will definitely send the link after uploading on my YouTube channel. Please do.
I appreciate you calling. It was very, very lovely to speak to you today.
Thank you. Thank you very
Thank
much.
you too.
Take care, stay safe, and keep smiling.
Ah, the same to you, my friend.
Yeah, sure, sure. Dear.
Okay. Bye bye.